I'm going to show you how to do a hard reset or a factory reset of your Mac computer. There's a few things you need to do, especially if you're going to sell it. First, back up any data that you want to keep. If you're getting a new Mac computer, then you can use Time Machine on a separate hard drive to back things up. If you aren't getting a new Mac, then I suggest backing up your files by copying them manually to an external hard drive. Because if you try and go the Apple Time Machine route, you won't be able to access them easily. But putting them on a hard drive, you'll be able to plug it into any computer and retrieve your files. When you transfer your data, it's also worth checking it or installing it on your new computer and making sure everything is there before you do any of the erasing or selling of your old computer. Once you've copied all your files over, then you want to deauthorize your computer. To do this, go to iTunes and then click on the Store menu and down to Deauthorize This Computer. Then enter your Apple ID and password and click Deauthorize. So now it's time to restart the computer, and at this point you have a couple options. But you'll need to hold down certain keys on your keyboard as it's restarting. Holding down the Command R buttons during startup will allow you to restore your current operating system. Your Mac creates a reinstaller on your hard drive to restore your current OS. If you choose this option, then any future installation of your operating system will require you to enter your Apple ID and password. So this is not helpful at all if you're planning on selling your computer. The second option requires an internet connection. You'll be holding down Command, Option, and R. So you're just holding down one extra key as it's restarting, and this brings you into Apple's Internet Recovery Mode. This option will reset your computer to the original Mac OS that the computer originally shipped with, without any connection to your Apple ID. So if you're selling your computer, then you'll want to choose this option. And once you're in recovery mode, you can erase your hard drive and do a reinstall. So first click the Disk Utility and then select your hard drive. Then select the Erase tab, and it should be in the file format Mac OS Extended Journaled, and you can leave the name of the hard drive whatever the default is. Then click the Security options, and it's important to point out that you can choose the level of hard drive erasing that you want to do. You can go from a simple and unsecured basic erase, which I don't recommend, all the way to a Hillary Clinton level wipe down. But it's also worth pointing out that if you have a SSD, also known as a solid state drive, or a Fusion hybrid hard drive, your data won't be completely erased no matter which setting you choose. At least at the time that I'm making this video, this is the case. So if you have one of those hard drives and you have really sensitive information that you don't want potentially accessed by ne'er-do-wells, then consider removing the hard drive entirely before selling. Personally, I wouldn't worry too much about it, but I just want to let you know your options. So with whatever option you've chosen, then click Erase. And depending on your choice, this may take a while. So it should give you a progress bar and an estimated time frame. And now that it's erased, then you just go back and select Reinstall OS and start the process. Once it's done installing, the next time the computer is launched, it will enter the setup mode for a new owner. So it's as if nobody owned the computer. So thanks for watching. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, let me know in the section below. And if you want more videos like this, click subscribe. And either way, if you wouldn't mind rating this video, it would help me a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.
I'm not, I have no idea. That's why we turned it over.
You were in charge of it. You were the official in charge. Did you wipe the server?
What, like with a cloth or something?
I don't know.
Well,
you
no.
know how it works digitally.